here to show you our blue dog bones print. It is 50 centimeter. It's light blue and dark blue, and then what you see is white is transparent. We're gonna dip it to a white speed shade. Tank is 90 degrees. It's 1,000 degrees outside. Hydrographics activator. We're using our mini tank. It's one of many tanks that we have. All of our tank sizes are in stock. We have minis, 5 foot, 6 foot, 8 foot, and 10 foot. We've got spray bars. So just call us. All the prices are on the website. The 5 foots aren't yet, but they will be soon. And that is the blue dog bones print. There's a quarter for size reference. That'll probably be in the abstract section. And again, you can find that at KansasHydrographics.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.